Now let's learn how to find out the volume of a sphere. For this you have to take the three different spheres of the different radii and a container big enough to be able to put each of the sphere into it one at a time, and a big straw in which you can place the container. Now you fill the container. That container you will take in the shape of a cylinder only. Now you fill this container with water up to brim and put one sphere into it, and don't forget to put this container, this cylinder, into the straw so that you can collect the water. When you will put this sphere into this cylinder, of course this sphere will display some water and you will find out, will collect the water into this tray. Let the radius of this sphere is r, and let the radius, you can measure the radius of this container, this straw, which is also in the cylindrical shape. Now you know that the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. The water has fallen up to some height, it has some radius. To calculate the volume of this straw by using the formula pi r square h. Now you calculate the volume of the sphere by using the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. You will see that the volume, which is volume of water which is collected into the tray, into the straw or in tray, is equal to the volume of a sphere which we have calculated by using the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. How to find out the radius of the sphere? In the previous videos, Geetu ma'am has already told you how to find out the radius. So you will see that the volume of a sphere is calculated by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now let's do the example number 1. The example number is 17, that is first example. Find the volume of a sphere of radius 11.2 centimeter. The calculations are really going to be very big. You need to learn the tables again and again. I am telling you, the volume you have to find out, and its radius is given to 11.2. So this is your 11.2. Radius is 11.2. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 11.2 into 11.2 into 11.2. Remove this. This is divide by 10. This is also divide by 10. This is also divide by 10. And this is 7 ones are, this is 7 ones are 7, and this is your 42, 7 6, so 16 sevens are 112. So when you are going to multiply 112 into 112 into 16 into 22 into 4, and when you are going to divide it by 3, and this is your number of 3 zeros, you will be getting this 5,5887.32 centimeter cube. Calculations you are going to do it yourself. Multiplication so you have to do yourself. Now let's do exercise 13.8. Question number 1 and 2 are very simple. You have to find out the volume of the sphere of when radius is given to you. So you can calculate yourself. And in the second part, find the amount of the water displayed by a solid spherical ball of diameter. When diameter is given to you, you need to firstly find out the radius. Radius is equal to diameter, half of diameter. So yani ki when diameter in the second part it is given to you 0.21 meter, so your radius is given to you 0.21 divided by 2. This question is also simple. You can do the calculations your own. Third question I would like to solve it. The diameter of a metallic ball is equal to 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of a ball? This is example number 18th which we have done. If the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Now here diameter is given to 4.2 centimeter. Radius is, that means radius is 2.1 centimeter, and the density is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So that means your density is equal to mass upon volume. Your mass is going to be density into volume. So firstly we need to calculate the volume. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube, 2.1, 2.1, 2.1. This is, remove it, divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. 3 sevens are 21. When you are going to multiply it for 21 into 21 into 88, you will be able to get this 38808 divided by 1000. That means 38.808 centimeter cube. So your mass is going to be density was given to you 8.9 gram per centimeter cube into 38.808 centimeter cube. Cancel. When you are going to multiply it, you will be getting this 345.89 gram approximately. Let's do question number 4, which is also very important. The diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? The diameter of moon is given to you 1/4 of diameter of earth. So diameter I am converting into radius. Twice of radius of moon is twice of 1/4 of radius of earth. 2 and 2 is cancel. यानी कि radius of moon is 1/4 of radius of earth. This last line is very important. What fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon? जो अर्थ का वॉल्यूम है वो मून के वॉल्यूम का कितना है? यानी कि यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून डिवाइड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ. Since moon and the earth are spherical in shape, तो volume will be equal to 4/3 pi rm का whole cube, 4/3 pi re का whole cube. They are cancelled. And volume of moon is equal to 1/4 of volume of earth इसका whole cube divide by re का whole cube. यानी कि 1/64 re का whole cube and this is re का whole cube. ये cancel. तो ratio is 1/64. So the ratio of moon, the volume of moon and the volume of earth is 1/64. यानी कि volume of moon is 1/64 of volume of earth. ठीक है? Now question number 5 says how many liters of milk can a hemispherical ball of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Diameter is given to 10.5 centimeter. यानी कि your radius is going to be half diameter यानी कि 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter. Since it is hemispherical, so you have to find out the volume by using the formula 2/3 pi r cube. So you can put the values and you can do the calculations your own. Since you have to convert into liters, remember then 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1/1000 liter, which I have already explained you in the example. So finally you divide the answer by 1000 and convert into liters. Question number 6 says that a hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet of 1 centimeter thickness. If the inner radius is given to you 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. Now this is your hemispherical tank. This is your tank and it is made up of 1 centimeter thickness. This is your 1 centimeter. And the inner radius from here to here it is your 1 meter. Let inner radius, that is chota r, is equal to your 1 meter and your outer radius we will denote it by capital R यानी कि 1.01 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100 meter यानी कि 0.01 meter. तो it will be your 1.01. ठीक है? तो the question is you have to calculate the volume of the iron. तो volume of iron will be equal to volume of iron is equal to volume of outer hemisphere minus volume of inner hemisphere. It is a hemisphere, so 2/3 pi r cube minus 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi common, capital R cube minus R cube, यानी कि 1.01 का whole cube minus 1 का whole cube. 2/3 pi into, when you are going to calculate really big calculations, 1.01 का whole cube, it is going to be 1.030301 minus 1. When you are going to solve it further, 2/3 into 22/7 into 0.30301, you multiply all the numerators and divide by 21. Numerators are 1.333244 divided by 21. it will be approximately 0.06348 centimeter cube.